Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to explain to you how easy it is to put together the Diaper Genie because the other videos make it look so complicated and it's really not that complicated. So after you take the diapers out, you got to cut that and then you tie this, put this off to the side, and that's what you're going to take out the trash. And here, as you can see, the bag is tied so we can start filling it with diapers. So there's three parts to this. This is the main part. And then we have these two parts right here which go together as well. So to start, as you can see this? I'm gonna show it like that so y'all can see it up close. So if you're holding it like that, this hook goes in here like that. But the part that's hard to see, like you see when it get like that, what you have to do is you see these hooks right here? This little hook and this little hook, you have to put that in between here like that. So you keep stretching, and pull it over right there. See that? See how those two hooks go through there? So one more time, real quick. Hook through there, pull it all the way down, and keep taking till the ridges get underneath this sliding part. This sliding part right here. See that? See how it looks? Okay. And that slides right on track like that. So when you get done with that part, I'm gonna come a little closer. When you get done with that part, and this part, this hook, the round part is facing basically the Diaper Genie. This round part right here. So this is also gonna go in between here, by the way, because that's how the diapers open up. So it's a little hook right there. You get a close up on that, sweetie. This goes in there. You see this part? A little bit closer. There's a little part right there. See that hook right there? This goes underneath there. That's how you know you're putting that on right. So I'm gonna put the bag in between there first, just so we know we got that in there. And then add it to that hook right there. See how it fits in there? And once it fits in there, it'll fall right into place with this right here. So you see these two things? That hook's on right there, and that hook's on right there. When you push that in, that clicks just like that. Once that clicks, you close it, open it, and now it's all good. So see how that opens like that? And it's all set. So this is a simple way to put back together your Diaper Genie. I know you think it's broke when it comes apart like that. Absolutely not. Easy, follow those steps, watch it a couple times. I guarantee you become a pro. Thanks for watching, and y'all subscribe to my channel, Grand Marquise. Whoop whoop.